Si e ku apasia Ki he kilo Malo laumalie aho'eiki mo lelei ai Tonga kotoa o kumo mea mai I he aho'ni. With Tongan Language Week just around the corner, Pukepuke o Tonga have created a challenge, kotoa mo'au, to celebrate our Tongan culture, our heritage, and our way of life here in Aotearoa. And we want you, yes you, to be a part of it. Koe kaveinga o ta'oni ki he Uike Kātoanga'i o tau lea faka-Tonga, koe Fakakoloa o Aotearoa, Aki ai Ako Lelei, enriching Aotearoa with holistic education. So let's not let COVID stop our celebration. Instead, let's stay connected and join our Pukepuke o Tonga challenge with these 3 easy steps.
ULUAKI first.
Watch out for our videos each morning from Sunday 5th of September to Saturday 11th of September to receive your task for the day.
ULUA second.
If you need help, make sure to ask your family to join in preparing your presentation. It's time for you to get your camera out and turn those acting skills on.
Talu third.
Once you've got your idea to present, record your video and send it through to us on our Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or email it to us if it's a longer video, and we'll upload them to our social media platforms. For every video that you send through, your name will go into the draw to be in to win our spot prizes at the end of the challenge. Remember to send through your first name only, age, and the name of the village that you come from in Tonga. So let us join together I he Fakakoloa o Aotearoa, Aki ai Ako Lelei. Ko Pukepuke o Tonga, ko koe mo'au.